Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn about binomial expansion. So you're told to find the first four terms of 2 plus 10x raised to a power negative 2. So how do you go about this? Remember, the first step, you have to make whatever is inside the bracket, the constant there, to be 1. So how do you do that? Now you factor out 2 in this case, so it will be 2 into 2. This will be 1 plus 5x. You close the bracket, then there's also another bracket, then all of this in this bracket is raised to a power negative 2. So this one means that you expand this one, 1 plus 5x raised to a power negative 2, all this one, and then 2 is also being affected by the power negative 2. So 2 raised to a power negative 2 is a quarter, is 1 over 4. And then 1 plus 5x raised to a power negative 2, you expand this one, you do what we call, you'll expand. So we know the formula in binomial expansion. When we have 1 plus x raised to a power n, this one is always given by 1 plus nx over 1 factorial plus n into n minus 1 times x squared over 2 factorial plus n into n minus 1, n minus 2 again, close the bracket, times x cubed over 3 factorial. Remember, we are told to find the first 4 times. So this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Full first 4 terms. Now, you substitute n here. N in this case is negative 2. So we want to substitute negative 2 in each case. So we'll have 1 plus nx. N is negative 2 into x is 5x plus negative 2 into negative 2 minus 1 over 2 factorial. 2 factorial is the same as 2 times 1. Now it's 2 times 5x. This one now is squared, plus negative 2 into negative 2 minus 1, negative 2 minus 2, close the bracket, over 3 factorial. 3 factorial is like writing 3 times 2 times 1. That one will be 6 times 5x, but now in this case 5x is cubed, right? So 1 plus negative 2 into 5x, this one will have 1 minus 10x. 1 minus 10x. When you work out this one here, you'll have plus 75 x squared minus this one here will be 500 x cubed, right? So, but remember, all of this you should multiply it by a quarter, remember here. So when you multiply all of this by a quarter times 1 will always be 0.25 minus a quarter times 10x is 2.5x. A quarter times 75 will be plus 18.75 x squared minus a quarter times 500 will be 125 x cubed. So this one will be your final result when you are told to find the first 4 terms of certain expression. So we'll have 0.25 minus 2.5x plus 18.75x squared minus 125x cubed. This one will be a final answer. If you haven't subscribed, then make sure you subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.